everyone, I am Rekha Preeti, you are watching Boldsky. Summers can be so cool. Who doesn't like to get under the sun on the beaches and have fun with your friends? Unfortunately, an undesirable result is visible within a few days, that is a tan skin. And these dark tan lines may also accompany with itchiness and burning sensations. So we have put together 3 best home remedies for you all to get rid of this nasty tan. Let us watch our first remedy to remove tan using natural ingredients. The ingredients which are required are curd and lemon. Take a bowl, 2 tablespoons of curd and few drops of lemon. Mix it well until you get a fine and consistent mixture. We have got this mixture ready. Before applying it to your face, make sure you wash your face with cold water or cleanser and pat it dry with a towel. Take some cotton. With the help of the cotton, you should start applying it on your face. You can massage it. You can apply this mixture on your neck also, so that the tone of your face and the neck skin will be same. Once we are done, wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I washed my face with lukewarm water. So definitely this mixture will work and it will make you a tan free and it will help you to go to beaches again and enjoy the fun. Let us move on to our second remedy. The ingredients which are required for this remedy are aloe vera gel and lemon. Let us take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl and few drops of lemon into it. Mix it well until you get a fine and consistent mixture. Once you get a fine mixture, you have to apply it on your face. With the use of cotton, start applying it on your face. If it is in circular motion, it will be really helpful for the blood circulation and all. And you can apply this mixture on neck also. Leave it dry for 15 minutes. And you can see my skin has already become detanned and also it looks so fresh. So definitely you have to try this mixture. Let us move on to our third remedy. The ingredients which are required for third remedy are tomato, lemon and turmeric powder. Let us take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into a bowl and we need to squeeze the tomato into a bowl. And use as much as possible just to make it a fine mixture. Same way, few drops of lemon. Mix it well until you get a fine and consistent mixture. If you want to use tomato, use it just to make it a fine mixture. Stir it well to get a fine and consistent mixture. Once you get a fine and consistent mixture, you can apply it on your face using a cotton, or you can use your brush also. Apply it all over your face. I want to get rid of tan very soon because I want to go out and enjoy the sun again. You can apply it on your neck also. Leaving your eyes areas, you can apply it everywhere. And you have to leave it for dry, maybe for 15 or 10 minutes. After 15 minutes, I washed my face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a neat towel. And you can see how fresh my skin looks like and how detanned it is. So for further beauty updates, you have to watch Boldsky. Bye-bye.